Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best deadly weapons without gunpowder of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Excalibur Assassin Extreme Accurate Whisper. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme Accurate Whisper is a high-performance hunting crossbow designed for precision and stealth. With its innovative features and advanced technology, this crossbow offers hunters a reliable and effective tool for their outdoor pursuits. One notable feature of the Excalibur Assassin Extreme Accurate Whisper is its whisper quiet operation, making it ideal for hunters who prioritize stealth. This quietness is achieved through meticulous engineering and design, allowing hunters to take their shots without alerting their prey. The crossbow also boasts exceptional accuracy, thanks to its precision construction and advanced scope system. The included scope and 30mm scope rings provide hunters with clear visibility and precise aiming capabilities, enhancing their accuracy even at long distances. Safety is paramount in any hunting activity, and the Excalibur Assassin Extreme Accurate Whisper incorporates several safety features to ensure a worry-free experience for users. The charger crank system allows for easy and safe cocking of the crossbow, minimizing the risk of accidents or injuries. Included with the crossbow are 4 Proflight 16.5 arrows and a 4-arrow quiver, providing hunters with everything they need to get started right away. This comprehensive package ensures that hunters can focus on their target without worrying about equipment compatibility or additional purchases. Product 2: Sig Sauer MPX Pellet Air Rifle. The Sig Sauer MPX Pellet Air Rifle is a high-quality airgun designed to replicate the appearance and performance of the real MPX firearm produced by Sig Sauer. This air rifle is renowned for its realistic feel, handling, and operation, making it a popular choice for both recreational shooters and serious enthusiasts. One of the key features of the Sig Sauer MPX Pellet Air Rifle is its attention to detail in replicating the design of the actual MPX firearm. From the overall appearance to the placement of controls, the air rifle closely resembles its firearm counterpart, providing users with an authentic shooting experience. In terms of performance, the Sig Sauer MPX Pellet Air Rifle is known for its accuracy and power. It is capable of firing pellets at high velocities, making it suitable for target shooting, plinking, and even small game hunting. The rifle typically utilizes CO2 cartridges or compressed air. Product 3: 10-Point Titan M1 Crossbow. The 10-Point Titan M1 Crossbow is a high-performance crossbow designed for accuracy, power, and ease of use. Its true timber viper camouflage finish offers both aesthetic appeal and practical concealment in various hunting environments. With a velocity of 370 feet per second (FPS), the Titan M1 delivers impressive speed and kinetic energy, making it suitable for hunting a wide range of game. The crossbow is equipped with a lighted 3x Pro View scope, enhancing visibility and precision in low light conditions or when aiming at distant targets. One notable feature of the Titan M1 is its forward draw design, which shifts the bow's center of gravity closer to the shooter's body, resulting in improved balance and maneuverability. This design also contributes to a smoother, more consistent shot release, enhancing overall accuracy. The crossbow's construction incorporates high-quality materials and precision engineering, ensuring durability and reliability in the field. Shooter. The 10-Point Titan M1 offers a combination of performance, technology, and user-friendly features that make it a formidable weapon for any hunting. Product 4: Product Name 330 FPS WT Mini Striker. The 330 FPS WT Mini Striker Narrow Limb Crossbow Pistol, with 1x30 red-green dot sight, is a compact and powerful crossbow pistol designed for precision shooting and target practice. With a velocity of 330 feet per second (FPS), it offers impressive speed and accuracy, suitable for various shooting scenarios. This crossbow pistol features narrow limbs, enhancing its portability and maneuverability without compromising on performance. The compact design makes it ideal for hunters or shooters who need a lightweight and easily maneuverable weapon for quick shots or tight spaces. Equipped with a 1x30 red-green dot sight, the WT Mini Striker offers improved target acquisition and accuracy, allowing shooters to aim with precision even in challenging conditions. The sight's red and green dot options provide versatility, catering to different lighting conditions and shooter preferences. Product 5: Product Name Hatsan Factor PCP Side Lever Action Air Rifle. The Hatsan Factor PCP Side Lever Action Air Rifle represents a significant advancement in air rifle technology, boasting high performance and innovative features. Manufactured by Hatsan, a renowned name in the airgun industry, this rifle is designed for accuracy, power, and reliability. Key features of the Hatsan Factor PCP Side Lever Action Air Rifle include its pre-charged pneumatic PCP system, which provides consistent and powerful shots with minimal recoil. The side lever action ensures smooth and quick cycling of the rifle, allowing for rapid follow-up shots. With an included WEARABLE4U bundle, this rifle likely comes with additional accessories or gear, enhancing the shooting experience for the user. This could include items such as scopes, slings, or carrying cases, adding value and convenience to the package. The Hatsan Factor is likely engineered with precision and durability in mind, featuring a robust construction and ergonomic design. This makes it suitable for various shooting applications, including target shooting, pest control, and small game hunting. Product 6. Product name: Umarex Air Javelin Pro. The Umarex Air Javelin Pro is a cutting-edge PCP, pre-charged pneumatic, aerogun designed and manufactured by Umarex, a renowned name in the airgun industry. This innovative air rifle is built to deliver high performance and accuracy, making it suitable for various shooting applications, including target shooting, small game hunting, and recreational shooting. One of the standout features of the Umarex Air Javelin Pro is its PCP propulsion system, which provides consistent and powerful shots, without the need for manual pumping. This ensures that users can enjoy a smooth shooting experience with minimal effort, making it particularly appealing to shooters who value efficiency and convenience. Furthermore, the Air Javelin Pro comes equipped with 3 carbon fiber arrows, which are known for their lightweight yet durable construction. These arrows